Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my channel. National level workshop organized by Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute and IQAC Chennai. 3 days workshop on research ethics and management of resources. Date 15th to 17th December 2021. Platform online. Time at 2 p.m. Invited faculty members, students and research scholars. E-certificate will be provided. No registration fee. Registration and WhatsApp link in description. Subscribe my channel.